gonna be on camera. Come here. Come here, baby. Come on. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Cooker. Happy September, everyone. I guess it's fall now. It's 50 degrees and raining today. So today we're going to be making gluten-free, dairy-free, egg-free chocolate chip cookies and also cranberry orange cookies, but I'm going to be using the same base for both cookies, for both types. So start with the base of the dough. Start out with, this is just Bob's Red Mill 1-to-1 flour mix. You can use whatever your favorite gluten-free baking mix is. Then I also have oatmeal. And then I put that's salt, baking soda, and baking powder. And then my secret ingredient for cookies is always cinnamon. I like the cinnamon and the chocolate together. And I mix all the dry ingredients together. Then we're going to set this aside. Like creaming together the fat, the sugar, and then orange peel. So I used half coconut oil and half lard. So that's just my preferred fat for baking, is having both coconut and lard together. You can also just use plain coconut oil or red palm oil shortening. So you want to cream the fat and the sugar together till it's nice and fluffy, and it looks like this. See, it has a nice, it's nice and light. Okay, next I'm going to be putting in vanilla, and then maple syrup. And we're going to beat it together some more. We'll be sifting the flour mixture, the dry ingredients, into the wet. Sifting just helps it, it's like a declumper. Sometimes like the flour gets kind of clumped together. We don't want to end up with flour clumps in our cookies, that'd be gross. Right, and I'm going to add the milk too. Well, this is coconut milk, not normal milk. I probably should have added it to the wet ingredients first, really, before I added the dry. Oh dear. This is the correct attachment. Okay, and so should be a nice soft dough. So I'm going to be splitting this in half. If you're extremely exact, you could always weigh it. Okay, I think that's roughly half. So I'm going to first do the chocolate chips. I'm going to mix them some more. Okay, and then next going to dump in some lemon peel. This is for the orange cookies. And I'm going to try to get the chocolate chips more beat in through this. I did forget to say earlier, so these chocolate chips are half semi-sweet, then half just plain 100% cacao, no sugar. Now for the cranberries. These are the ones that I picked yesterday and actually made a video about going low bush cranberry picking, or they're also called lingonberries. Looks a little bit bloody.